this programming tutorial. The first is that algorithms, second numbers and expressions, variables, statements, modules. These are the 6 things that I will be teaching you today. So let's start with algorithms. What are algorithms? Let's take an example. When you see any kind of sci-fi movie, a Hollywood movie, when there are a lot of hackers over there, they will just you will hear them saying that I have written this algorithm, it's easy to break, it's hard to break, there's SEHAES algorithm. So now it would be hard for you to understand me, but as soon as I go over this session, you will completely understand me as to what I'm trying to say. So you will be thinking that what these algorithms are. Algorithm is just a set of instructions given to your computer. It is a program, it is just one program which combines different types of codes. Multiple codes combined in one simple program gives you an algorithm. Algorithms can be of different types. One is a simple program, one can be for security, which is SEHAES 256-bit encryption. But for that you need to learn Python, Ruby and Perl in detail. As of now we are learning Python, so I'll just show you what an algorithm is over here. And coming back to the second point, they are numbers and expressions. So I'll tell you what numbers and expressions look like. Let's go back to the interpreter right now. So as I told you that this is the interpreter, and if you're coming from a programming language background, then I can tell you one more thing that which is similar to most of the programming languages, that this Python interpreter, it is too case sensitive. Let's say for example, previously we wrote this command over here, that is print parentheses inverted commas hello world, and it gives out with the statement as hello world. But what if I write this in a uppercase, that's print? It won't be the same. It has given me an error over here. It's a syntax error stating that name print is not defined. The reason being that print in uppercase is not defined in the libraries of Python. Only if you write it in smaller, that's lowercase, only then will it recognize that. That's the reason. It is similar to the one when you write in C or C++. And if you are coming from, as I told you, if you're coming from a programming language background, then you would be in the habit of putting semicolon at the end, but it doesn't, and it actually is of no use in Python because it does not actually need it. If you put it, it's not a problem. It won't cause any of the concerns to us because that's the habit that normal programmers have, but it's actually of no use over here in Python. So let's try print hello world, and just to get started, you can go ahead and test various things over here in the interpreter, and trust me, it won't cause any kind of problems in your system, because that's what people are afraid of when they write their first program, that what if it causes any harm to the system. Trust me, it does not unless you save it and execute it. And as of now, if you just type you can just type anything else, PRINTS or ES, anything, and you can just type XYZ any other thing, then it won't print. And if you want to know what interpreter is, in order to know it better, just go ahead and search these errors in the Google, and you will get more detailed information as to what this error is and how they work exactly. But as of now, I'm here to teach you Python, not the errors of that. So I would just go ahead and proceed with that. So I'm here in this tutorial.